Hello Year 7 and welcome to Lesson 3 of Africa, the Congo Rainforest. For this lesson you will need your pencil, ruler, pen and some paper. Enjoy! Welcome to your quick fire round. This is going to test your knowledge of the last two lessons that you have done. Please pause the video and complete the questions. The Congo River Basin and rainforest are located in Central Africa along the equator. It spans 6 countries: the Cameroon, Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of Congo, Equatorial Guinea and Gabon. It is the world's second largest rainforest next to the Amazon, comprising of an area of more than 3.4 million square kilometres. It is home to over 10,000 species of plants and animals, 30% of which are unique to its location. The climate of the rainforest is very different to that of the desert that we looked at last lesson. If you look at the climate graph, if you remember rainfall is in blue and as a bar chart, you can see that it rains heavily every month throughout the year. If you look at the temperature, the red line, you can see that it is above 25 degrees again throughout the year. This hot, wet weather means the climate is very humid and it's excellent for growing plants. Please now pause the video and complete the task. Plants grow so well in the humid climate that they have to fight for sunlight. They do this by growing tall and straight with few branches on their lower levels. The forest floor is so dark that there is little growth here, except for plants like ferns that have adapted to life in the shade. The rainforest structure, as you can see from the diagram, has 4 layers: the shrub layer, undercanopy, canopy and emergence, all of which receive different amounts of light. Please now pause the video and complete the task. As well as thousands of plants and animals that live in the rainforest, people do too. People have lived here for thousands of years. Many of the people who live in the Congo Basin are hunter-gatherers. This means that they hunt for wild animals, fish, and gather wild berries, nuts and vegetation from the forest. Very different to the sort of life you would lead. Please now pause the video and complete the task. Every year, 1,200 miles of the Congo Basin is destroyed. Deforestation happens as people chop down the vegetation in order to do several things. To plant alternative crops like palm oil. This is used in many of our household products. If you look at your crisps, bread and shampoos, you will see palm oil is used in most of these. To allow cattle to graze, which produces meat. To log to produce wood that can make furniture. And lastly, for mining, in particular oil, gold, diamonds and coltan, which is used to make our mobile phones. The impact of this is felt across the world. Global warming is ever increasing because trees are really good at absorbing CO2. Millions of plants and animals are destroyed, some of which we could have used to make medicines. Local tribes are made homeless and their ways of life destroyed. Please now pause the video and complete the task. We've now come to the end of Lesson 3, the Congo Rainforest. It's important that you remember the following things. The Congo Rainforest is located in Central Africa and it spans across 6 countries. 500 million acres, it is the world's second largest rainforest. There are approximately 10,000 species of tropical plants in the rainforest, and these are in distinct layers: the shrub layer, the undercanopy, canopy and the emergence. Some of the trees are 45 metres high, and there are many endangered animals such as elephants and gorillas who make it their home. The Congo rainforest is home to around 75 million people, nearly 150 different groups, many of whom live a hunter-gatherer lifestyle, as the rainforest provides shelter, food and water. Sadly, deforestation, cutting down of the trees, is one of the main threats to the survival of the rainforest. Deforestation has occurred because of agriculture, growth of urban areas, mining and logging.